Ever wondered what it's like to invest in the final frontier? Today, we're diving into Rocket Lab, a rising star in the space industry, and whether its stock, RKLB, is worth your investment. Buckle up and let's explore. Rocket Lab, founded in 2006 by CEO Peter Beck, is revolutionizing space access with their Electron rocket. This small but mighty vehicle has launched over 68 times, deploying satellites for commercial and defense clients. And they're not stopping there. Rocket Lab's developing the Neutron rocket, a larger, reusable rocket set to compete with the big players by late 2025. Besides launches, Rocket Lab builds satellites and offers end-to-end space solutions. With a $1.1 billion backlog and partnerships with the US Space Force and European Space Agency, they're positioned for massive growth in a space industry projected to hit $1.8 trillion by 2035. Now, let's talk numbers. RKLB stock has skyrocketed 650% in the past year, hitting an all-time high of $5.3 billion in July 2025. Revenue grew 32% year-over-year to $122.6 million in Q1, and analysts project $606 million in 2025. That's a 40% jump. Wall Street's bullish, with a buy rating and price targets up to 5.5 from firms like Citi and Bank of America. But hold on. There are risks. Rocket Lab's not profitable yet. With annual losses near $200 million, its price-to-sales ratio of 42 suggests it's pricey, and some analysts warn of a pullback, with price targets as low as 1.8. Plus, delays in the Neutron rocket could hit the stock hard, especially with competitors like SpaceX in the game. Over on social media, investors are buzzing. Some see RKLB as undervalued with targets as high as 15, while others caution it's overhyped. Sentiment's hot, but always double-check those posts. So, should you invest? If you're risk-tolerant and believe in the space economy's growth, RKLB could be a long-term winner, especially with Neutron's potential. But its high valuation means you might wait for a dip to $3 to $4 or use dollar-cost averaging. Conservative investors? You may want to sit this one out until profits improve. Rocket Lab's pushing the boundaries of space, but investing in it is a bold move. Do your homework, check real-time data on platforms like Yahoo Finance, and consider a financial advisor to see if RKLB fits your portfolio. Want more stock insights? Subscribe and hit the bell for our next deep dive.